I've been dreaming of visiting the Komodo dragons for a long time. However, it's not just the dragons that make the trip worthwhile. The entire area is stunning, with pink beaches, dramatic cliffs, and turquoise water. Indonesia consists of more than 17,000 islands. Komodo National Park includes 29 of these. The dragons are endemic to only 5 islands. We flew from Denpasar in Bali to Labuan Bajo on the island of Flores. We planned to stay for 3 days. 1 night in a hotel, 1 night on a boat, and then another night in the same hotel. I was super sick with Bali belly, so after checking into our hotel, Shawn walked the streets to find a boat tour that departed the next morning. He can't remember which tour group he booked though. So let's talk about the costs for a moment. In total, we spent $261.65 each. This breaks down into our boat tour, which was 1,000,000 rupiah each, about $70, and the Komodo Park fees was 600,000 rupiah each, about $42. We also spent the 2 nights in the hotel, $61.88 for double occupancy, so really it's about $31 each for those 2 nights and breakfast. And then our round-trip flight from Labuan Bajo on AirAsia, $118.15. On our boat tour, we started at Labuan Bajo, went to Rinca to see the dragons, Pink Beach, Komodo to see more dragons, spent the night in a harbor before hiking Padar Island in the morning. We went snorkeling at Manta Point and 1 more snorkel at Kanawa Island before returning back to port. Our tour picked us up on motorbikes, equipped us with snorkel gear, and brought us to the docks. Our boat, the Mona Lisa 03, was pretty crowded and probably over capacity. That's not uncommon for boat tours in this area. We had 28 people plus 5 staff on our boat. However, the boat was super clean, no bugs or rodents, and the staff were always mopping the floors, and they gave us really clean bedding and mattresses for bedtime. The boat's moving, finally.
Day 1.
Komodo.
Nap time.
We stayed in that place. It looks like a hut.
Oh yeah.
Selfie with the dragons. You can selfie and then it is accelerating.
On Rinca, there's tons of Komodo dragons right in the visitor center. It was the heat of the day, so they were very lazy. Only a few were walking around. I think they hang out in this area because they get fed table scraps. The guides use their forked sticks to keep them away from people. They have been known to bite, and they are carnivorous. It might have been nice to be in a smaller group of people. We were always kind of fighting to get to the front to see everything. It was a little sad to see some of the other tourists just chasing the dragons with their cameras. The guides just kept having to swat people away.
You're so big. It's super hot. Hot as balls. Komodo thriller.
Exactly. When you get to see it up close in person, from far away it doesn't actually look pink. Pink!
Big beach. What do you think?
Oh, good snorkeling. We made it to Komodo Island at 4:30 p.m. after we've been on the boat since 8 this morning.
It's been a long, lazy day. Napping, swimming, hiking in the heat of the day. It's like 4 o'clock. It actually feels really nice. So hopefully we get to see a few things before the sun goes down.
Let's hope we see some dragon action.
Nice time of day. Get a close up of the cicada and the dragon.
Stop the cicada, please. Stay, please.
Let's focusing on the cicada.
Please.
Because the cicada is kind of gross.
Don't blow the trail, please. Hello. Hello. Don't run, yeah? Don't run. Don't panic. Hello. Don't panic.
This dragon definitely looked corralled. And like the guides do this all the time so that people can get that perfect shot. Once the dragon had laid down, everyone got a chance to take a really cool photo behind it. Yeah, it was amazing. Yes, it was awesome. It's also a little bit sad.
That's beautiful. We just took a walk around Komodo and saw a dragon, and it's the end of the day. It's really chill, actually. We're the only tour boat in the entire harbor, which is surreal and kind of great.
At 4:30 a.m., the boat engines fired back up, waking us up to a really beautiful sunrise. We were motoring around Padar Island to get to the protected cove. This whole area has really dangerous currents and rough seas, so we were going pretty slowly. We loved having instant coffee as the sun rose over this incredibly magical place. C was angry that day, my friends. C was angry that day, my friends.
Padar a little bit after sunrise. We can go hike up, see the super pretty view.
Padar Island! Finally!
6 a.m.
6 a.m.
6 a.m. we just got off the tender boat. We're the first people on the boat because we're actually ready. We're going up. We got about an hour and some change. Oh,
I have no patience for this one, people. This is so cool.
this is stupid nice.
Everything is sticky and wet. It's moist.
The first approach.
Not bad.
Wow. You can't see over this thing.
Lots of steps to get up. It's the peak at Padar. Hey, Lainey. Good one. Up near the very, very top, it gets pretty steep hiking, so be aware of that. Hi.
God, it's beautiful.
Where are we?
Top of Padar Island. You see pink beach, black beach, white beach.
There's people everywhere. There's like 500 people up here. Everyone's trying to look like they're completely alone at the edge of the world, which is fine, but it's also impossible. There's drones, there's people, there's like pro Instagrammers.
I have no idea how everyone looks so good because I'm a sweaty mess.
So we've been at the top for a little while watching the Instagram parade down on this big rock over here. I don't mind people trying to get like a cool shot, but when like they co-opt an entire space and tell people they can't walk past them or anything like that, it gets pretty out of hand. So yeah, it's been rough. So we found a nice little tucked in spot and it's been really chill. Woo! Woo!
After breakfast on the boat, it was time to head to Manta Point for some snorkeling with the manta rays.
The manta over there.
Last stop, Kanawa Island. Its gorgeous protected reef and shallow water, beautiful beach made it a perfect last place to enjoy Komodo National Park.
back to snorkeling and swimming on the beach. Didn't take the camera, and it was the most relaxing part of the entire trip. Coming in the dock.
Shoes on, flippers collected.
Super fun.